World Malaria Day, celebrated every April 25th, is a crucial event aimed at raising awareness about the global effort needed to defeat malaria. Instituted by WHO member states during the World Health Assembly in 2007, this day emphasizes the importance of continued investment and sustained political commitment for malaria prevention, control, and elimination. The genesis of World Malaria Day, established to provide education and understanding about malaria and spread information on year-long intensified implementation of national malaria control strategies, including community-based activities for malaria prevention and treatment in endemic areas. World Malaria Day marks a day of unity, determination, and action in the fight against malaria. Global impact and objectives. Malaria remains one of the deadliest diseases, affecting millions of people worldwide, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. Despite significant progress, there is a continuous need for effective malaria control measures and the development of vaccines. Objectives of World Malaria Day: raising awareness, increase knowledge about the threat of malaria and the need for malaria prevention and control measures. Promoting research and innovation, encourage scientific research and innovation in the development of malaria treatments and vaccines. Fostering partnerships, build global partnerships to enhance resource mobilization and sustain efforts towards malaria elimination. Alignment with Sustainable Development Goals. World Malaria Day aligns with several Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, especially SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, directly supports efforts to end the malaria epidemic and other communicable diseases. SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals, highlights the importance of global cooperation in tackling the challenge of malaria. Resources and advocacy initiatives. The observance of World Malaria Day offers a plethora of resources for public education, advocacy campaigns, and community engagement. It is a day to mobilize action and resources to combat malaria, share success stories, and highlight the need for continued investment. The significance of participation. Participating in World Malaria Day activities supports the global fight against malaria, contributing to health equity and improved quality of life for millions. Engagement from individuals, communities, and governments can drive progress towards the ultimate goal of malaria eradication. World Malaria Day 2025 is not just an event, it's a call to action for everyone to contribute to the global effort to end malaria. By uniting in our efforts, we can achieve a malaria-free world. Join us in marking World Malaria Day 2025 and take part in the movement towards a healthier future for all.